So this is my 5th week of doing a bit of a liver cleanse based on the medical medium cleanse, healing cleanse, and this week I'm doing it starting to do it for my mum as well, who works here at the More Food Market and Cafe in the office, and she hasn't been feeling very well, so she needs to do it as well, so I'm making it up for her. This smoothie has got banana, organic banana, dates, wild blueberries, coriander or cilantro, which is very good for getting the metals out of the body, and lots of other greens, barley grass and sprouts, and a bit of celery, and with coconut water. So my Optimum blender has made short work of that. If you want to look at the Optimum blenders or juices on special, you can go through my More to You website, and there's links on there under Optimum Kitchen.